Welcome to this lesson on tropisms. Tropisms are fascinating growth responses that allow plants to interact with their environment in remarkable ways. Throughout this video, we'll explore how plants grow toward or away from different stimuli, helping them survive and thrive in their surroundings. Tropisms are directional growth movements that plants make in response to environmental stimuli. Think of them as the plant's way of moving without actually changing location. There are two main types: positive tropisms, where the plant grows toward the stimulus, and negative tropisms, where the plant grows away from the stimulus. This simple mechanism allows plants to optimize their position for survival. Phototropism is the growth response to light. When light hits a plant, different parts respond differently. Shoots and stems exhibit positive phototropism, meaning they grow toward the light source. This is why you see houseplants bending toward windows. On the other hand, roots show negative phototropism, growing away from light and deeper into the dark soil where they can absorb water and nutrients. Geotropism, also called gravitropism, is the plant's response to gravity. Roots display positive geotropism, growing downward with the pull of gravity. This helps anchor the plant firmly in the soil and reach deeper water sources. Shoots and stems, however, show negative geotropism, growing upward against gravity. This is why seedlings always emerge from the soil in an upright position, no matter how the seed was oriented when planted. Hydrotropism is the growth response to water. Roots grow toward areas with higher water concentration, demonstrating positive hydrotropism. In dry soil conditions, roots will bend and extend toward moisture sources. You might have noticed tree roots growing toward leaking underground water pipes. This is hydrotropism in action, as the roots detect and follow the water gradient to ensure the plant's survival. Thigmotropism is the response to touch or physical contact. When climbing plants encounter an object, they grow around it for support. Vines are excellent examples of thigmotropism. Their tendrils coil tightly around support structures like poles or fences. Ivy plants demonstrate this beautifully as their stems wrap around trellises and walls, using physical contact to guide their upward growth and reach more sunlight. Chemotropism is the growth response to chemical stimuli. Plants can detect and respond to chemical gradients in their environment. During reproduction, pollen tubes grow toward ovules, guided by chemical signals released by the female reproductive structures. Similarly, roots respond to nutrient concentrations in the soil, growing toward areas rich in minerals and essential elements needed for the plant's growth and development. Let's review the main types of tropisms. Phototropism allows light-directed growth, helping plants maximize photosynthesis. Geotropism provides gravity-directed growth, ensuring roots go down and shoots go up. Hydrotropism enables water-directed growth, crucial for finding moisture. And thigmotropism facilitates touch-directed growth, allowing climbing plants to find support. Together, these tropisms enable plants to optimize their survival by growing toward beneficial stimuli and away from harmful ones, demonstrating the remarkable adaptability of plant life.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.